Hello, I'm Natsuko, and today I will tell and I'll show you my illustration and behind of it. I made this illustration after reading something recently. I kind of turned my character into an adaptation of it, something like that. These are the ornaments. I added them to make it look more like what I read. And by the way, I added some light on top of the hair. I will off it and let's see what's the difference if that layer was off. Sorry if my layers are kind of messy. I added some accessories, and this is some strand of the hair, and this is the hair, the part of the outfit. I used the 3D brush for this, and this is the linen and ruff. I'll zoom it to see it clearly. As you can see, my line art is only on the upper part, and the body or lower part is just a rough sketch. And this is the gem or the emerald, these and these. And this is what I was talking about earlier. I used a 3D brush for this. I'll turn off this, and this is behind without it. This is the skin part, and this is the rough sketch of it. And the last part I did was the effects. I used a chromatic zoom effect and set it to low. The second effect I added was the noise effect, and ta-da! That's it. Doing my best to explain it. Not great at teaching, honestly, but I'll do everything I can to make it easy for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more.